What's up, everybody? This is the Man Philly, and today we're kind of gonna do a vlog slash a backwards ride with some hard driving and some other things. I want to get some scenic shots of the car with my new rims from E5 Wheels that my buddy Cody Driven on YouTube gave me. He surprised me with these rims. So there's gonna be a video on that also. I don't know which one of these is gonna come first, which it's probably gonna be the video that he destroys my rims and gives me the new ones. So, like every video, this is gonna be every video, by the way. We're gonna start this video off with a nice cold start because I have not started it up, and we're gonna let it idle for a little bit to kind of get the temperature up, and then we're gonna head out. So this is gonna be, I feel, a good day. We're gonna walk some trails and stuff. And it's gonna kind of just be some fun time to myself. And I'm just gonna hang around. So let's get this cold start going and we'll get on our way towards Oak Mountain State Park. Okay guys, for this drive, we've got a little snack, and then we've got us a drink. We're drinking Mountain Dew today and a Sunkist. So, let's get started. Amazing. I can't believe I actually own one of these right now. 18 years old. Alright, to leave the garage, we're gonna put it in Z mode. Gotta make it louder, gotta leave loud. And we're gonna put it to reverse. And we're gonna carefully back out of this garage here. Alright, we've arrived at Oak Mountain State Park. Let's get out and get some shots of this car real quick. Just kind of look around. Wow, this car looks absolutely amazing with these new E5 wheels. Absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to get some good shots of this car on other parts of the trail. Okay guys, I actually have decided to go topless on this video, just for a little cruise. Oh, this is so beautiful. I've never been here before. I've never been here before. This is a pretty good experience. Okay guys, we've come to like a little stop area out here. We're probably halfway through with the trail, And we're gonna end up putting the top back on. It's a little chilly out here. That temperature dropped fast. So I'm gonna get me a little quick video of putting the top on so y'all can see my struggle. Okay guys, that wasn't as bad as I thought putting that top on. I guess I just kind of did it awkwardly the first time. But we're gonna get my seat belt on. And then I'm gonna wrap it around. We're gonna put it in drive. And we're just gonna chug along. Okay guys, we're gonna shut her off and get outside. There's a little creek area that I wanna look at. There's the beautiful Corvette right over there. And then we've got all this right here. Sometimes it's just good to get out in nature and look around. It just feels good. That feels good too. Let's get in this car and then we'll head on to the next stop. Oh my gosh, I still got the covers on the floor. Those covers are staying until I get some all-weather floor mats. So we're gonna close this door. We made it, guys. Up to the overlook. Okay guys, looks like this video is coming into a close. I hope y'all liked this sort of content because we've got more to come. I'm gonna try to improve on every single new video that comes out so I can make it the most interesting as I possibly can. But this car is absolutely beautiful. We got a lot of good shots at Oak Mountain in Alabama. And yeah, please like and subscribe to support the channel. It'll help me out a lot because I'm trying to get to 1,000 so I can get monetized. Reason I want to get monetized is so we can buy more stuff for the channel. So it'll upgrade the content pretty much. So please support. I promise this content's gonna get better. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And one thing for y'all, follow your dreams. You can do it. I know you can. And peace out.